Hello everyone, today problem name is 1 and 2. You are given a sequence of some number which is considered to A1, A2 up to N and each element of A1 or 2, and find out an integer k exists if the conditions are met and k must be greater than equal 1 and less than equal n minus 1. And the second condition is first cat element multiple is equal to the after left element multiple. So if I understand you by drawing that, if I consider that cat element is this a1 and a2, after the left element will be this a3 to a5. So the first cat element multiple is equal to the last left element multiple. If this condition is met, then k will be our answer. If there are exist multiple k, then print the smallest one. First one is the test case, second one is the size of the element, and third one is the element. And print the k. If there is no such a k, then print -1. Otherwise print the smallest possible k if possible. So for the first test case input, I have drawn this example. In this example there will be 6 element. You see, if I consider that this will be the k, then the cat element multiple is 2 and after left element multiple is 8. This not equal, this not meet the conditions. Consider the cat is 2. So the first cat element multiple is 4 and after left element multiple is 4. So it's equal, so it's meet the condition. After the k is equal 3, then after cat element multiple is 4 and left element multiple is 4. So this will be equal, and we can choose k is 2 or 3. But our problem said that the smallest possible k must be print. That's why the answer is 2. You see that the answer is 2. And third input, you see that if we've considered that first one is as a k, first cat element multiple is 1 and after left element is 1, so we can consider that k is equal 1. In the second input, you see this will be the 1 2 1. Okay, if I consider that first one is k, then the first cat element multiple is 1 and the left element multiple is 2. If I consider that k is 2, so first cat element multiple is 2 and last element is 1. So we see that this is not possible, we can't find equal, so that's why we print -1 for this input. We explain this problem. Now we go to the direct code for this implementation. Now we write our code. First we declare a test case and get the test case as input and run a loop in up to the test case. Then we call a function into this, and this function will run up to the test case and test case will be work. So we declare a function name solve, and in this function we take an size of an array, then declare an array up to the size and run a loop for take all the element as input into the array. Then in this loop we count the 2 because 2 can change the multiple amount but 1 cannot change the multiple amount, so that's why we count the 2. That's why I declare a variable, and if array of I is equal to, then we count this total 2 plus plus. So we count all the 2 appear in this element. So then we again declare and now 2 the present to count, so that's why we'll run a loop up to n. Then we see that if array of I equal to, then we increase the amount of now to by 1. Then we see that the multiple first cat multiple by using power condition. This will be the now 2, then left element multiple power 2, total 2 minus now 2, then we check if get multiple equal left multiple, then we say that the index k, so we use I plus 1 because we started from 0, right? And return, because we if we find that, we close this function. So if we can't find anything equal in this loop, we will print a -1, because we can't find any cat multiple and left multiple equal in any point, so we will give -1. This will work some answer, but it will give you a wrong answer because we use this power function. If we give a big number, it's not give the right, we can easily check, but not using the power. So we comment this 2, and just we will see that the now 2 is equal total 2 minus now. If this condition meets, then we can easily set we print this. This will give you not every time the right answer for big numbers, so this will be the appropriate way that we just compare, then we can find the answer easily. So I hope you understand this. Thanks for watching this video. I hope I can give you more videos like this, can help the beginners for solve problem in Codeforces. Bye bye.